Hello, I'm Jeremy Wilson from CropIMS. We're an information management, scouting, and technology company based out of Effingham, Illinois. As we was visiting here and talking about the opportunities for dealerships getting in the data management business and possibly partnering or building those services internal, some of the benefits I look at a partnership primarily comes from being able to rent expertise. So finding people that's good in the data management space, as well as the agronomy and the things that are involved in creating agronomic recommendations, as well as just doing some of the basic data management work, that takes a pretty elaborate skill set to be able to accomplish that. And by partnering with people in your area that have that knowledge base and are willing to partner with dealerships, you get to rent that at a much lower cost and provide these services out to your customer dealer, through your dealership to your customers who are asking for these type of services today. I think with the way the market is moving and farmers understanding and learning the value of data, as you sit in a dealership today, I think this is an evaluation you have to be doing internally of the resources that you have, the training that you're giving to your people about how we configure these displays, how we set up these displays, in case that customer maybe is involved in a data management service today that you're not offering. You've got people training on the right information, and that begins a natural progression into the fact of you want to start building these services yourself. You've laid the foundation because your people have talked about the important things needed to be able to record that data, and then as you find that expertise and want to build it yourself, you've got that foundation laid. Or if you choose to partner with somebody, you've already started that dialogue with your customers. From our experience, when you first initially start out, you'll probably get by with one person who's managing all that and doing the meetings with the customers, bringing that data in, running it through some piece of software to, if you're just doing the basic work of helping with crop insurance reporting or basic reports going back of what's planted or harvested, one person is going to be able to do a pretty substantial number of acres. But as your customer base grows, you quickly get into the point you need people who focus on just doing the data work, the busy work itself of bringing that data in, importing it, creating the maps and recommendations that need to go back out. And then you're going to need someone to be able to deliver those recommendations and maps and the learnings from that data back to those customers. And real quickly, if you're successful, this could be a 2 or 3 person, department within your dealership to handle this data management services. When you're looking to partner with someone, you need to understand basically how they are processing your data, how they're analyzing your data, what privacy and security policies they have in place for your growers' data. Because I can tell you today that's a question your customers are going to ask. If you're in a partnership with someone, data privacy and security is a growing concern, and understanding how they manage that on your behalf is important. Another thing that's important, I believe, is the number of people or resources they have to commit to the data that they're helping you process. If you walk into a company that's already at its limit, let's say, of what they have the ability to process, they may need to bring on additional people to do that. And that's just a real, a sit down with that people at that dealership that you want to partner with, asking questions about, what they're doing today, where they see their business going in the future, and what their thoughts are for growth and bringing other people to assist as we add more acres for data management.